Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video about Coinbase review. Recently, I wrote a blog about it and why you should actually take a look, especially with cryptocurrency has been really hot lately, especially with Elon Musk and others been talking about cryptocurrency and Tesla purchasing a lot of Bitcoin, 1.5 billion to be exact. So you could actually get this on the Android store, the Google Play Store, and I'm pretty sure you could get it on Apple too. So it's called Coinbase again. Let me show you it's on the screen. Just so you could get $5 in free Bitcoin when you join Coin, but you could also get $10 more too if you also start investing. So I do have the link below. So $10 free Bitcoin for you and me. And then there are 43 million people that's using Coinbase. And then you can buy and sell crypto safely and quickly and securely. Earn return just holding crypto, so you can actually start earning interest that way too. And you can see the latest prices for an instant quote. Again, you can earn Bitcoin by referring friends or other people, and send and receive and hold crypto all in one app. And then again, stay safe with your industry-leading security. So, going to show you how it looks. So this is when you open the app. This is how it looks. Welcome to Coinbase. Get started. These are what's on my portfolio, kind of, and then you got your top movers. So then you can hit start earning. I've already earned different ways. Again, you could earn $10 in Bitcoin. Referral will be below. Again, like this one's offering 5% annual percentage yield for Cosmos staking rewards, Tezos, DAI, US coin rewards. But like you could do free offers through Coinbase, and that's how you could get different cryptocurrency that's added to your portfolio. So like my highest was 46.39, and you can see that I had some of these different amounts for the portfolio. That all this I got for free from the offers, doing offers and stuff. If you hit that, you're going to be able to buy, sell, convert, or send or receive to another wallet. And then these are the prices. I'm not going to hit settings. It should be your basic, but that's all my information there. So you can see gainers. Again, say losers right now, like Doggy Coin. If you hit that, a lot of people have been talking about that because of what's his name, Elon Musk. But just letting you know, this asset is not supported by Coinbase. So Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke. Its name was referenced to a popular internet meme. Its shares many features like Litecoin. However, unlike Litecoin, there is no hard cap on the number of Doge coins that can be produced. So you could go to the website. The market cap of 9.4 billion and volume is 7.1 billion. And it's currently circulating supply of 128.3 billion. So again, I can't trade that because it's not offered here. Gainers, like look at that pancake swap. I'm pretty sure that's not supported. Yeah. So Coinbase, usually, from what I could tell, it looks like they try to trade only certain ones because there's so many cryptocurrencies out there. So if you hit tradable, these are the ones that are available. If you hit it, you could trade. If you hit trade, you could buy or convert. So that's how you kind of figure out with the Bitcoin or anything out there, because these are the tradables, and it's a decent size, and I'll have a list of it too in the blog link. But definitely I would say give it a try if you're trying to diversify your investments and trying to learn something new, especially if you could get free Bitcoin or free cryptocurrency, because nobody really knows which cryptocurrency is going to be successful, or if any of these currencies are going to be successful in the future. But it does help with like the Teslas and Elon Musk and PayPal and Square starting to accept um, cryptocurrency, so as a hard asset. So again, it's an opportunity that, at least if it does catch on fire, like right now, Bitcoin's been going up ever since Elon Musk announcement and Tesla, about Tesla purchasing $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. So interesting news. So again, if you're trying to diversify or learn something new, I would say go ahead and take a look at Coinbase. There are a lot of users. Again, you can see there's 10 million users alone using Google Play. So, all right, go ahead and hit that like button if this actually helped or you learned something new, and hopefully you do take advantage of that offer through Coinbase, because you never know. Like I said, it can grow quite a bit, and that's free money there. Again, can't turn down free money usually. So again, I do appreciate if you do smash that like button, and also take advantage of that offer. And if you do, definitely appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe that channel button, and so that way you'll get bell alerts too. Also, again, together we can build better tomorrow, so hopefully this helps you out. All right, thanks.